มิสเตอร์ร้องขนากันทองท่านจังไรมิสเตอร์ร้องขนาตองโจมิสแท้อาคัดบนตกอินคันไล่ถิลขาอัมมาและอัมปุ่มจุงเออันนี้ตลักบนตกอินคันตัวหนักน้อยกันแปดทันไหนแต่ที่คนอันนี้โดนเลยแต่มีค่ะนุ่งอักพูดมันจะก้าวหน้า
Next is the Mr. Round 1. This is also the traditional attire portion, very similar to what we gave the ladies. All right, ladies, are you ready to see how handsome our young men are in their traditional attire? All right, then let's begin the show.
Để cho cái đá lại thil, để cho cái đá lại thil, anh đổ tất cả lâu mà, yeah, mình đổ bạc thế, tu cho, question này căn cả cho câu lẽ biết cái này câu nào là chưa?
Okay, Mr. Jung Lian Sang, you are first. Can you please come step up? Okay, if you could write one song, what song would it be and why?
Thank you for the question. If I can write a song, it would be Cherry Flower from Chin State, because every time I see cherry flowers, it reminds me of my hometown, Christmas times that I used to spend, and especially it reminds me of who I am and where I came from. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Andon, maya ka diar pyak talo. If you could travel anywhere, where will you go and why?
Thanks for the questions. If I could travel anywhere, I'd probably go back to Burma because my grandparents, I haven't seen them in a long time. So that's where I'll probably go. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Aaron Van Boylian, your dream is to become a designer. Why do you want to become a designer and what motivated you for that?
The reason I want to become a designer is to open more doors for future generations, and that really keeps me going and motivates me to do better for the Chin community. Thank you.
Well, thank you, gentlemen. Let's clap for all of them one last time.
Alright, kính thưa lùm túc, nâng cao chẳng khó.